artsy people, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel Aastha gets artsy. This is a very different video because I will be trying to make handmade paper for the very first time. Now let's get right into the video. Okay, so first we are going to need some paper. I am using used notebook pages. You can also use newspapers, magazine papers, or any kind of waste paper. I am also adding these colored pages. Now we are going to cut the paper into small pieces. I am doing the same using scissors. You can also tear it with your hands, but let me give you a quick tip. The smaller the paper is, the easier it is to make the handmade paper. Let's proceed with the next step. You will need a plastic jar or a cold drink bottle, a Bisleri bottle. Any plastic bottle with a secure lid works well. Now we have to take some warm water. It should not be too cold nor too hot, otherwise it will melt the plastic. And we have to add it into our jar or bottle. Add your paper into the jar now. Let it sit for 2 minutes till all the paper gets wet and it sinks down. Here I started to realize my mistake. The lid of the plastic jar was not secure, due to which the water leaked and I was not able to shake it properly. Since it was my first time making the handmade paper, I really thought it would work. It had been 30 minutes and the water had turned pink now. I thought that I had added more water, due to which the paper and the water ratio wasn't appropriate and the paste that I wanted wasn't being formed. So I ended up adding some more paper because I had cut extra. So it had been 2 hours now and I finally realized I had made a mistake and this wasn't working. So what I did was I reduced the water first. I quickly grabbed a bottle and I divided the mixture into 2 and I am pouring hot water into both of these. After shaking it for 4 to 5 minutes, I finally got the desired paste. Now we need to transfer our mixture into a bowl. Now I added turquoise blue to the paste, but you can definitely add whichever shade you want. Do give it a good mix. Now let's add a few dry flowers. Let's take a look at our setup. I'm using two trays. The lower one is being used so I don't spill any excess water, and the smaller one is the mold for my paper. I'm using baking trays. You can also use the kitchen serving trays. Now place a piece of cloth. Add the paper paste on it. Cover it using another cloth. Take a sponge or a towel and gently dab onto the cloth, allowing it to absorb the water. Now let it dry. My paper took 24 hours to dry completely, but it depends on the climate. So you will need to check it after a few hours and just don't keep it in direct sunlight. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. I am sure you enjoyed watching. Sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.